Alright, so Google just released the mobile app version of NotebookLM for Android and iOS devices, but unfortunately, this app version is not quite as powerful as the web version. For example, there is no discover feature, which is very useful if you want to learn something new without providing any document or link. You can just let AI to do the research. There is also no option to insert the custom instruction to create audio overview, which is a feature that is very useful to make the podcast or audio overview to be more specific. So these features are only available for the web version, but not available in the mobile app version, which is very unfortunate. Now you might be thinking, how about using the web version on mobile via browser? Well, that's what I thought, but unfortunately, if you visit the website notebooklm.google, you'll see this button that's basically asking you to open the app version, which is not very good. So how do you access the full version of NotebookLM using your mobile phone? Well, there is one way that you can do. So here on the official website of NotebookLM, you can click this three dot icon on your phone and then click desktop site. And basically, you can click this button. Now it is not going to ask you to use the app. You can click this button and use NotebookLM on the browser, and it will show all the features just as in the desktop web version. So if I'm opening this, let's say this project, I can create a podcast. I can also enter the the interactive mode. There is also settings for changing the language. I can create new resources based on this discover feature. So all the features from the web version is available right here. And by the way, you can also just navigate to notebooklm.google.com. So this is the URL, notebooklm.google.com. So it is not notebooklm.google, it is notebooklm.google.com, and it is going to redirect you to this page where you can use the NotebookLM app on the browser, and it is showing all the features. So that's how you can unlock the features of NotebookLM while using your mobile phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.